finally nice enough to boost in boost weather. Oh guys, so beautiful out here in Arizona finally. It only took till November to get to boost weather. Yo, what's going on everybody? Behind me is my 2008 335i. If you guys clicked on this video, you guys probably already own a 335i, or you guys want to buy a 335i, or you just enjoy the Steezy content. Everyone part of the Steezy fam. Appreciate everyone tuning into the video. Today we're going to be talking about everything you should know before tuning your BMW, because it is pretty costly guys, and you should know these things before getting into something like this and start modifying your BMW and tuning it, because things will break. But we're going to go over everything right now. So guys, in my case, I own a 2008 335i with the N54 motor, which is the twin turbo motor, and then the newer years came with the N55 motor and the 335i's, which is a twin scroll motor. They're two completely different motors, and I just have to throw that out there because it may be confusing if you guys are new to the E90X platform. And a lot of the N54 and N55 owners always go back and forth on social media and in the forums of which one's more reliable, which one can make more power. But yeah guys, in my case, I have the twin turbo N54 motor. But today I'm going to be talking about the three main things you should do and replace before tuning your BMW, because I can guarantee that these things will go out once you're pushing more power. So the first main thing I would do before tuning your BMW is getting new spark plugs, either a step 1 cold or step 2 cold by NGK. Most of the time, if you're going to be tuning your BMW, a lot of these tuning companies are going to have the burble tune so that you can downshift and get the loud crackles and pops, and a lot of the times that's going to be ruining your spark plugs and you're going to have to replace them. So I would just start off by replacing them with a step 1 or step 2 colder, because they will hold a lot more power and a lot less of a chance of you just completely destroying your spark plugs, and you're going to have to replace them either way. So these 335i BMWs are notorious for cracking their charge pipes when you start pushing more power. That is the second main thing I would definitely recommend you replacing, because when you start pushing more power and you're getting more into higher boosts, you are going to crack your plastic charge pipe. So I would recommend getting an upgraded one, and I have the VRSF and I have had no issues with this charge pipe whatsoever. I'll have the link in description so you guys can check out the website. VRSF provides a whole bunch of modifications that you can get for your N54 and N55 motor. So stepping into my 335i, the third thing I would definitely recommend replacing is going to be your fuel pump, because a lot of the times when you are pushing more boost and you're pushing more fuel, your OEM fuel pump will definitely go out, and you definitely don't want to be stranded, because especially if you're going to be pushing your BMW, say if you're racing someone and your fuel pump goes out, or if you just go to start your car and you can tell that it's not cranking because of your fuel pump, I would just definitely recommend saving your time and getting a new fuel pump, or getting a stage 2 fuel pump. If you're going to go stage 2 or stage 3 or run E85, just get a new fuel pump guys, save your guys self some time. So guys, I just really wanted to make this video talking about everything that you should know before tuning your 335i BMW, because I wish I knew these things, and a lot of people on YouTube don't talk about these things that own these 335i's. So if you guys do want to tune your BMW, make sure to do all these things, learn from my mistakes, because I had to literally go through every single one of these things that I just talked about, and I wish I knew beforehand so that I didn't get stranded, because this BMW did break down a few times and I just either had to drive it home in limp mode or I had to get a trailer. So yeah guys, learn from my mistakes. But I hope this helped out any 335i owner thinking about tuning their BMW, or any future 335i owner that's thinking about getting one of these cars. Absolutely love this car guys. I just talked about in my newest video of me breaking down how much money I've spent on this 335i. I absolutely love this car. It is so much fun, and I definitely recommend it. Just make sure to do your research and check out all my videos on my 335i so you guys can get more informed about these cars guys. But you guys already know what it is. We out here. Peace.
I got a check, yeah, I got it on me. I'm sipping, drinking, I'm falling asleep. We in the field and I'm playing for keeps. I'm getting high like I'm up in the Jeep. Bad bitch, you know I got fuck on the freak. I hit my plug cause he getting it cheap. Don't wanna talk cause I got it on me. If I'm in the night and I'm up in the streets. Got 3 hoes, they from the east. This whip I own don't got no heat. I'm in my zone, she know my beat. Take the toast, we in the lead. I got a check, yeah, I got it on me. I'm sipping, drinking, I'm falling asleep. We in the field and I'm playing for keeps. I'm getting high like I'm up in the Jeep. Put the team on. Bad bitch, I'm her ringtone. You know what we on. We got what the fiends on. I'm with the mob, so you don't want no static. I'm in the foreign, this bitch automatic. I got so high now I'm sitting.